Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and you are watching English Guidance. Today I have a great news to share with all of you that COVID-19 vaccine may come from India. Yes, you heard right. In this world, most of the things we use are made in China. But COVID-19 virus vaccine will most likely to be made in India. In India, various of companies are already making millions of doses for COVID-19 vaccine. And if things go right, we might get the vaccine by September this year. Let's hope for the best. And if it works, then this will be the fastest vaccine ever in record. This is a short story of how the world is going to develop the fastest vaccine. As of today, 9th May, COVID-19 got affected over 3 millions of people globally. And it's not going to end soon until we find the solution. More than 80 companies in the world are geared up working and testing all day and night to invent the vaccine. Every country who are affected, all are searching for COVID-19 vaccine. Now, a ways to develop a vaccine to fight the coronavirus is underway all around the world. A vaccine usually takes 6 to 7 years to develop. But now, in this crisis period, we need to develop the vaccine 6 to 7 times faster. Now, you may ask, how can even be possible? Well, COVID-19 is similar to other types of coronaviruses such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, MERS, and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, SARS. Previously, vaccine trials already done, but these coronaviruses went away by their own. But COVID-19 is not such kind. Governments are giving COVID-19 scientists to be more experimental. University of Oxford are testing the vaccine on more 800 humans. So, there are high chance to get vaccine by September 2020. But they need to produce a lot of them, not just 100. India has the largest pharmaceutical company in the world. The Serum Institute of India can produce over 1.5 millions of vaccine in a year. Indian scientists are testing multiple purposes vaccine and can produce a vaccine on an average cost. Now, this is a great news. That's why Oxford gave India their test coronavirus vaccine, and right now they are making 40 millions of them without even know if it will work. The amazing fact is the CEO is working and bearing all the cost of testing COVID-19 vaccine, because he wants to fight against coronavirus. If we all work together, humanity will again win. Now, India is a country that imposed the largest lockdown in the world. If we are successful, India will be known as the country who helped to save the world, and it will be recorded in the history. This is how I find worth sharing the news. So let's fight together by obeying lockdown and by staying at home. India government will send us back to normal life if we cooperate now. I know you all are awesome. Earth is regenerating. Stay at home, stay safe. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till then, tata, bye bye, thank you.